In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your form GUID in HubSpot. This is really useful if you're working with developers, embedding forms on an external site, or integrating HubSpot with other tools that need a specific form identifier. The GUID is basically the unique ID that HubSpot uses to keep track of your form behind the scenes. First, go ahead and log into your HubSpot account using your usual login details. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the main navigation menu. On the left side, hover your mouse over the marketing section. A drop-down menu will appear. From that list, click on Forms. This will open the Forms area where you can see a list of all the forms that have been created in your account. Take a moment to scroll through and find the specific form whose GUID you want to locate. You can use the search bar at the top if you have a lot of forms and know the form's name. Once you've found the right form, click directly on its name to open the form's general preview. When the form preview page loads, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You should see a button labeled Edit Form. Go ahead and click that. This will take you into the full form editor, where you would normally change fields, settings, and styling. Inside the form editor, we're now going to grab the GUID from the Share options. Again, look toward the top right area of the screen and find the Share button. Click on Share, and a pop-up window will appear. In this pop-up, HubSpot will show you options to share or embed your form, typically including an embed code and sometimes a direct share link. Focus on the embed code section. This is usually a block of HTML or JavaScript that you would paste into your website. Within that code, look for the form ID attribute. It will usually look like a key value pair, where the key is something like form ID, followed by an equal sign or colon, and then a long string of letters and numbers. That long string is your form GUID. You can carefully copy just that guide and paste it wherever you need it, such as into a script, integration settings, or documentation you're sharing with your team. Make sure you don't accidentally include extra quotation marks or spaces when copying. And that's it. You've successfully found your form GUID in HubSpot.